welcome to this video. So this has been my most requested video recently, and my house is nowhere near how I want it to be completely, but this is just what's going on right now, and I wanted to update all of you on it. The first part of the video will be a montage of all of the clips that I took, and then the second part will be me explaining everything. If you want to listen to me talk about everything, make sure you stick till the end of the montage. Enjoy the video!
There's no way you could have faked it. No, you're not that good. I know you love me, I felt it. So strong, that strong. And it was something kind of crazy. It was crazy, but never not honest. I know you love me, I felt it, but you're gone, so gone. When I know you're not alone, I can't help but feel alone. When you say you're on your own, I found my way home, but I still can't find me. That it felt too damn good. You gave me love and you ran away. Are you gone? Too gone. When I know you're not alone, I can't help but feel alone. When you said you're on your own, I found my way home, but I still can't find me. Cause I know you felt it, yeah. Cause I know that you felt like home. Cause I know that you could imagine what we have imagined. When I know you're not alone, I can't feel you feel alone. No, you chose to let me go, but God, I still hope that you come looking for me.
So immediately when you walk in, you see basically the entire house. It's just one big rectangle like most tiny houses. So first is the kitchen. I have this big island. Always wanted an island like this, especially while I'm filming, because I have a lot more natural light and I can set the camera here and you can see everything, and it's just a really pretty angle. I love having the island. Then I have this electric stove that I love so much. It's so much easier to clean. It just makes life so much easier. I love this stove. I love these countertops. I'm getting them sanded down and put a gloss over it so it doesn't ruin it anymore. Then I have this huge sink that I love. Dirty dishes, but that's life. I have so many windows. I love all the windows. So much natural light in here and it makes me so happy. So on to the bathroom. I have this tiny little bathroom and I love it so much. So I have my dirty clothes hamper. I don't have a washer and dryer here. I have to take it somewhere else to wash clothes, or I can hand wash them at home and hang them up to dry, so it doesn't really bother me. Then I have this really cute flooring. So I decided to put my vanity in the bathroom because it was the best place for it, and I love being able to sit here with the natural light, chilling on the toilet. Then I have this shelf for all of my items. I have all of my extra colorful items that I want to kind of keep hidden in that basket. Then I have like my aesthetic items that I use often right here. Then I have these baskets that you saw in my last bathroom makeover. My hot water heater is here, so I just put a rag over it and I use that for all of my toothbrush stuff. Then I have a fancy toilet. And I have this really fancy shower head that I like. This next room is going to be my office slash art studio slash work area. It is also Hazelnut's litter box room. This is where she eats and everything, and this is where I will close her off if I let my dogs into the rest of the house, or if I leave the house I leave her in here so that she doesn't poo-poo or pee-pee on the couch. This is basically her room. It is also my junk pile. This is where I have all of my art supplies and items I need to go through and get rid of and organize, but it's also like acting as a barricade so she can't get to the rest of it and poop all back there. Here's my shoe rack, so when I walk in I take my shoes off and put them here. Then I have my pantry. I don't have much room in my cabinets, so I keep my bowls, plates, and glasses in the top part of this. And then I have all of my food in the bottom. I'm planning to get containers to put everything in to make it look pretty because it's glass doors and I want it to look clean and not colorful and junky like the way it looks right now. Then I have my favorite table in the world from IKEA. I've had this for a year now and I just love this table so much. I couldn't part with it. I had to bring it and it ended up fitting perfectly in here. This is where I eat, but right now it's also my work area. That's why I've got all of this stuff here. This is where I pay bills. This is where I plan videos. This is where I edit videos. This is where I play Minecraft. This is like my go-to area right now since my office isn't ready. I got these foldable chairs from Ross, which I think they are so cute and they match my colors and they fold up if you need to put them away. I also have a full-size fridge, which I'm so thankful for because I have so much room to put a bunch of food. Then we have my living room. This is an IKEA couch. I keep a blanket over it because little Missy over there likes to pee on it. It's easier to just wash a blanket really quickly. Those are all my blankets. I don't have anywhere to put them yet. I'm planning to get a thin box to go under the couch and put all my blankets in. So this is my book collection currently. I have more books in my office that I still need to unpack, but I will be doing a DIY where I just put some craft paper over them and then write the title of each book on the spine so I can see them, but they'll all match and not be so crazy colorful. So that will be coming soon. I got this coffee table off of Facebook Marketplace and it is so pretty. I just have a few books on here and I have my Switch as well as my iPad because I'm always using my iPad. I got this rug from TJ Maxx. I love it so much. It's so pretty. Then I have my TV stand and my big TV that I watch Korean dramas on way too much, but that's life. I have my favorite lantern that I got from Target, and then I have my bookshelf and my full-length mirror, which the bookshelf will be moved into my office when I get it cleared out and everything to organize all my art supplies on. And then I have my new office chair that I can't wait to put together. The full-length mirror will probably stay in that corner. Then we have the puppy's room. Hello! Hi! I have the dry erase board in front of the gate because she could go through it and I really don't want her to try to run through there and they get too crazy with her. Right now I am keeping them separated. I allow my dogs to see her and she looks at them all the time, so they're doing fine. I never let them in the same room together, but I do hold Hazelnut in my hands and let them sniff her. But as you can see, they get extremely excited and I just do not want to risk anything happening between them and the bunny, but right now they're doing really good. So this is the dog's room. The dogs actually get the biggest room in the house. They have a huge rug they can lay out on, and they have their crates that they can sleep in. This is also where I put them in. I separate them while they're eating because Honey likes to eat all of Bliz's food, so I separate them. So this is also my closet. Soon I'll be getting a gate that's really long, just like this gate right here. I'll be getting a long one to go in front of my clothes so that they can't chew on my shoes or anything, and it keeps it kind of clean. And I've got to get some organization system down here for shoes. This is also where I have my projector so that I can spend time with them. I will put these mats on the ground, turn the projector on onto this wall, and we will sit on the ground and snuggle and watch TV together. Lastly is this ladder that my grandfather handmade himself and put it onto this rolly thing so I can roll it back and forth if I need to get it out of the way of the pantry. Up this ladder is my loft. So many of you are asking for a bedroom makeover, and of course I'm gonna give you a bedroom makeover, but now it's gonna be a loft bedroom makeover. It's so cozy up here. It feels so homey, and it's actually huge. Even though it's not tall, it's really big, like long ways, and there's so much room. I don't know what it is, but it's so cozy up here, and I tend to sleep in later than I should. So as you can see, my house is definitely not finished or how I want it completely yet. And I have a lot more work to do and things I just want to do on video so that all of you can see and do it with me, because it's really fun to video all of it. But I just want all of you to remember that no matter how big or how small your house may be, as long as you can make it feel like home, then that's all that matters. Your home is your happy place where you should be able to feel completely comfortable. Anyway, I hope all of you enjoyed this video. I cannot wait to make the updated version down the road when everything is put together. Thank you for 70,000 subscribers. What? It blows my mind how fast we are growing. Like, it makes my heart so happy. I love you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Oh baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please let me love you much. Come on with me, baby.